If you drink lemon and cucumber water every morning, what happens to your body? This refreshing combo is more than just a delicious drink, it's packed with health benefits. From boosting hydration to detoxing your system, stick around as we explore how this simple morning routine can transform your health. Save this video before it disappears. First things first, hydration. Drinking water. First thing in the morning is crucial, but when you add lemon and cucumber, you supercharge it. Lemons are full of vitamin C, which supports your immune system, while cucumbers, with their high water content, help keep you hydrated and refreshed. Together, they keep your body energized and your skin glowing. Ever wake up feeling bloated? Lemon and cucumber water can help. Lemons act as a gentle cleanser for your liver, flushing out toxins that build up overnight. Plus, this dynamic duo promotes better digestion. Lemons stimulate bile production, breaking down food more efficiently, while cucumbers provide fiber that supports gut health. Want to manage your weight more easily? Lemon and cucumber water can help curb your appetite. Lemons contain pectin, a type of fiber that helps reduce cravings, while cucumbers are low in calories but keep you feeling full. By drinking this in the morning, you're setting yourself up for better control over your food choices throughout the day. One more perk: your skin. Both lemon and cucumber are rich in antioxidants, which fight free radicals that cause skin damage. The vitamin C in lemons helps boost collagen production, making your skin look younger and more vibrant, while the hydrating properties of cucumber can reduce puffiness and give you a healthy glow. So, if you drink lemon and cucumber water every morning, what happens to your body? You stay hydrated, detox your system, improve digestion, manage your weight, and even get clearer, healthier skin. This simple habit can make a world of difference. Try it out for a week and see how you feel. Are you ready to make lemon and cucumber water your new morning routine? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more health tips and life hacks.